I think the last 2 days, it was great for Jupidex to be part of this event.
Yeah, so we kicked off our program in Europe with a factory tour where we went through the Soezt factory, and it was for us an eye-opener of how precise they produce these products.
We are the only company from Africa that was able to attend this event, and we feel very privileged and honoured to be here. We will be attending the Kverneland press conference. We're looking at exciting new developments. With these people, let's go!
And with this, we would like to welcome you, wish you a very good morning out in the field here. You cannot imagine how happy we are that the weather forecast was totally wrong.
We know that Kverneland stands for precision, sustainable farming, and especially now going into a digital era, it's very important for Jupidex to take that back to our customers and explain that to them and make them more comfortable moving into this new era.
We are Danielle Dekker and Bert van der Horst. We are working for Kverneland New-Vennep, the crop care factory in the Netherlands. And we're going to present you today the news on the iXtra front-rear combination. Precise spraying and saving chemicals starts with the right filling. Filling the machine, putting the right chemicals in, is the first saving which you can do. Filling is a very intense process for the operator. The operator has to put in all the chemicals, has to measure, has to look carefully, and has to do everything right. And that's what we pay attention to in this workshop. But first let me introduce the iXter B combination as we have it here. Over the years it's still going strong, and it's not only because we keep it updated, but also we put our new technology into it. So over the last years the most obvious one is the iXpray isobus computer, easier to operate and more opportunity for precision farming. But also precision farming is integrated in the spraying system, in the boom. There's the iXflow-E, the circulation system is put in there with the electric nozzles, geo control, GPS section control, switching off nozzle by nozzle. So here in the operation center, with the color screen which is integrated, the operation here is fully aligned with the operation of the trailed, the Extract T trailed series. So if you operate a trailed, a self-propelled or a mounted machine, it doesn't matter. The valves are the same, the operation is the same. The looks of the same tank and the door which is on the machine, they determine the looks, but underneath everything is changed. We want to keep the unique feature on this combination, and the unique feature is that we have a multi-tank system. We can use the front and the rear tank for a different spray liquid. That's quite unique in the market because almost nobody has that, and we want to keep that and still make the filling easy. We have in fact 4 strategies to operate the front tank in a different way. The first strategy is to have a different mix in the front tank and in the rear tank. You can manually switch from front to rear, and you can operate with 2 different mixtures. Second possibility is to put only clean water in. The third strategy is to put concentrated mix in the front tank. If you are at the farm and you have to fill in the chemicals, you do it concentrated in the front tank, you do the normal mixture in the rear tank, and if you're in the field you only need clean water. You transfer some of the water of the concentrated mix to the rear, you add clean water, and you're off to go. You don't have to go back to the farm to fill the chemicals or take all the chemicals with you in the cans. And the fourth one is fill it with the same product so that you have a bigger capacity of sprayer and that you can do a full field. And that's the strategy we're going to talk about today, filling with the same product in a secure and easy way. To give you an idea how it works, we're going to challenge you to do a filling task yourself. We made a small school class here, so I invite you over to our chemical school class and take a coat and take place behind the tables.
The TwinFill from the sprayers from Kverneland is also exciting, and just the quality of the products that they have. And we've got a high standard, from a Jupidex point of view, going into South Africa and Africa as well. We want to make sure we have robust machines, and I think that was shown in the field as well.
We can actually sell these products with more comfort, easy to operate, new innovations, and more precise to the customers. So I think I'm very excited with what we've seen so far You know, when we talk about the spot spray solutions, that's a very exciting thing for us going forward. I think we're one of just a handful of you know, companies that can provide that to our customers, and that makes us very exciting for the future.